Today I am back with the same topic. We'll be continuing further questions related to our topic percentage. Number first question. What is the percentage of vowels in the English alphabet? First of all, how many vowels are there in the English alphabet? There are 5 vowels in the English alphabet, and total English alphabets we have 26. So we have to find out the percentage of vowels. 5 upon total English alphabets, that is 26, into 100. For calculating the percentage, we multiply by 100. After doing the calculation, we are getting 250 upon 13%. What's the question 2? In a train, 15% people travel in first class, 35% travel in second class, and the remaining balance is traveling in AC class. So let the number of people be 100. We have assumed. So 15 number of people will be who are traveling in the first class, and in the second class will be 35, and remaining 100 minus 15 minus 35 will be 50 is the balance, that is traveling in AC class. We have to calculate the percentage of AC class travelers. So percentage will be calculating 50 upon 100, as we have assumed number of people be 100 into 100. So 100 will get cancelled and remaining will be 50%. 50% is the percentage that is coming for the AC class travelers. Moving on to the question 3. Sita got 75% of the marks of a total of 800. Out of total marks were 800 and she secured 75% marks. So we'll be taking out, it is given in percentage, 75% of 800. 75 upon 100 into 800. 600 marks Sita secured. How many marks did she lose? We have to find out how many marks did Sita lose. 800 was her total marks and 600 marks she got. So 800 minus 600, 200 marks she has lose. Moving further to a question 4. A shop worth rupees 25,000 was insured for 95% of its value. The value of the shop is given to us as per the question 25,000, and it was insured for 95%. So first of all, we'll be taking out the amount for how much it has been insured. 95% of 25,000. That gives you the value 23,750. Now, the next statement of the question says that how much would the owner get in case of any mishappening? Any mishappening, he will get the percentage value 95% as it is insured. That value only, so we'll be taking out from its original value, that is from 25,000. 95% of 25,000. That's why we have done to calculate the insured amount that he or she will be getting in case of any of the mishappening being occurring related to shop. This is all for today. Again, we'll be meeting with the same topic and we'll be continuing further this topic. Till then, practice these questions as this chapter is very important. Thank you for watching.